this is our food, guys. By the way, mussels here are very famous when in Belgium. Belgium, please try out. Namaste and hello everyone. I'm Prachi. Welcome back to my channel. I'm an senior international flight attendant with Qatar Airways. Currently, I'm enjoying this summery evening in Brussels, Belgium. I arrived yesterday. Do watch episode 1. So enjoy the Brussels city tour with me. Let's go. And we are on our way to the old square. Guys, look at this building. So beautiful. I think this is also a museum. And here we are. This is the old square of Brussels. Such a lively place, especially in summer. Most of the European cities are very lively. Another panoramic view of this old square. Feeling extremely happy, nostalgic as well. I'd been here so many times and back again. So yes, I'm excited. Let's go ahead. We're trying to figure out what is inside this building. We are thinking it's like a church. So let's see क्या है. So guys, basically this is a town hall dedicated for mayor's office who used to reside here as well. Like it's a political building, political institution, you could say that. Very rich in history, and you have to buy some tickets as well. But we are not doing so. So it's just roaming around superficially here. Because अगर किसी में interest आएगा तभी हम जाएंगे, otherwise नहीं जाएंगे. But good to know, if you are planning a trip to Brussels, you can come here. Guys, look at the queue for the waffles and the fries. Oh my god. While growing up, I always dreamt of, traveling the world, and to be able to do so makes me feel so grateful and thankful for everything that I have. बस अब हम वॉक कर रहे हैं, enjoy कर रहे हैं, and थोड़ा हमें मन कर रहा है कि हम कुछ खाए पिएं. So let's explore more and stay tuned, guys. So now we're just chilling at this bar, come restaurant, and I'm having my favorite, one of my favorite cocktails, Aperol Spritz. I didn't want to have espresso martini because I just had coffee a while ago, as you saw. So अभी मैं ये enjoy करती हूँ और पूरी vibe को अच्छे से enjoy करती हूँ. फिर थोड़ी देर में आपसे मिलती हूँ क्योंकि हमें dinner और waffles भी खाना है. पूरा plan ready है. So obviously we cannot miss that once we are when you are in Brussels, or Belgium, let's say. So चलो अभी evening drink. It's only actually around 5:30 p.m. and too early for dinner. So इसलिए मैं सोचा कि चलो drink का break ले लेते हैं, कुछ पी लेते हैं, and that's it. Chill करते हैं. Well, that's literally my workplace and airplane, but jitni baar मैं देखती हूँ, my heart skips a beat because after all, I'm really passionate about what I do. As the saying goes, do what you love what you do.
A few moments later.
So we had a very relaxing time at that bar restaurant. Now we will just walk here at the old square, and now the breeze is getting cooler. It's approximately 6:20 p.m. Sunset काफी late है, around 9 p.m. But anyway, we'll just enjoy, and we are hunting for some restaurant with delicious food, and that fits our budget too. So देखते हैं, as and when dinner time पे आपसे मिलते हैं.
Plus ancien bâtiment, c'est le plus. C'est l'élégance.
You can hire these guys. So we have picked up this restaurant to have dinner. काफ़ी घूमने के बाद हमें ये पसंद आई मेन्यू और यहाँ की मसल्स काफ़ी फ्रेश होते हैं. सो आई एम गोइंग टू हैव माई लिंग्विनी विथ मसल्स. This is our food, guys. By the way, mussels here are very famous when in Belgium. Belgium, please try out.
Hello.
We'll see you after dinner.
2,000 years later.
I really like their classic or vintage interior of this restaurant. Whilst I was paying the bill, I thought to capture it and share it with you. So we are done with our dinner at this place. It was really nice. Lay, how was it? We liked it. Yeah, it was good. Now our next step is the waffle station. So let's go. Guys, this lane is so crowded now. Obviously it's 8 p.m. You could not tell because still sun is there, bright. But sunset around is 9 p.m. like I said. But this lane is so happening. And we are back to the lane of the mannequin piss statue. Let's go and have some nice, delicious local waffles. Spoiled for choices. So we have taken the waffles which we prefer and let's enjoy this, guys. So everybody, we took the waffles and I'm gonna enjoy my waffles now and would end this episode on this sweet note. I hope you enjoyed this little tour of the Brussels city along with me. If you did, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next episode. Bye.